What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm your favorite Auntie Titi, back again with another wig review. And in this video, we will be reviewing a wig from the Janet collection. It is called the Ella wig. Yes, Ella. So before we go ahead and get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of Auntie Titi's videos when she uploads. You know what I mean? Okay. So this is the star card for Ella. I got Ella in the color Choco Blonde. Ella's cap construction is as follows. It comes with adjustable straps in the back, a lace part in the front, I don't know if Ella is heat safe. I can't see it on a stock card, but I will link it down in the description below once I locate that information. So if you're interested in this wig, specifically the specs, the color, or anything about the wig, I will leave the link for this review in the description box.
Why am I so afraid just to say a hello? Hey. Or to pick up the phone just to say what is up? It's been a long time and I've been thinking, give you a call to shoot the shit and fill you in, we're reminiscing. Yeah. On the dumb things we did when we were only little children. Up in the hills smoking cigarillos, waiting on a vision of what our life would be like if we were dreaming and together we were wishing. Cause now I'm living in the city and you're back home, and all I'm doing is I'm singing. Yes, I'm singing. Oh, I don't feel how I used to anymore. I don't hear from you like I used to anymore. Let's run it back and kick it like we used to. Or call me back and tell me something new. Now we're off of this beat and I'm spitting a cappella. Hey. Back in the day in school with the fools when I was younger, we never skipped class, we were living life waiting on the summer. Yeah, we live so fast it's hard to see the seasons change. There goes another. Oh, what our life would be like if we were dreaming and together we were wishing. Cause now I'm living in the city and you're back home, and all I'm doing is I'm singing. Yes, I'm singing. Oh, I don't feel how I used to anymore. I don't hear from you like I used to anymore. Let's run it back and kick it like we used to. Or call me back and tell me something new. I don't hear from you like I used to. I don't feel like I used to. Oh, I don't feel how I used to. I don't feel anymore. No. I don't hear from you like I used to. No, I don't feel like I used to. Let's run it back and kick it like we used to. So call me back and tell me something new.
Ella. She is a lot of work because she sheds and she tangles like a lot. So you almost have to keep brushing her and getting the tangles out of the nape area. So that's the bad thing about Ella. She is beginner friendly. I can't say that. She is beginner friendly, but just be aware that she tangles and she sheds a lot. And I think it's because of the length, maybe. If it was just a little bit shorter, it may not tangle, but I don't know. I'm not going to cut it to see. Or at least I'm not going to cut it right now. I always change my mind later. But to fight the tangles, I just use some mousse, and that seemed to help. It does come with baby hairs. They're not very thick. They're right here. You could cut them off, or you could work with them. So yeah, what else? I'm not sure if Ella is heat safe, but if I find information, I will. Oh, she is heat resistant up to 360 degrees. Yes, so I did find that. And I would say Ella would be a work wig. Yeah, I think she would be a very cute work wig, a Zoom meeting wig, you know, a formal function kind of wig. That's what I would say Ella could be used for. She does have the lace part, and as I said in the beginning, I don't know the size of the lace part. Texture of the hair is premium fiber. And I think that's about it I have for Ella. Besides it sheds and it tangles, I think Ella is an okay wig. I'd probably give her like a 7 on a 10-point scale, just because she sheds a lot. But again, if you cut it past your nape or to your nape, I don't think you might have that issue. But don't hold me to that, because I don't know until I cut mine, or if I cut mine, then I'll let you guys know about that. But other than that, I think Ella is a 7 out of 10 wig. And if you guys want to try Ella, I will leave the link to purchase Ella down in the description. So let me go ahead and show you guys the back of Ella, which probably already tangled again since I last added some mousse, but and this side and back to the front. I will also leave in the description all the products that I use and some of my favorite products that I use on a daily basis on my wigs. Ella might be a great church wig. Get them wigs out to go to these churches when they open up. Yeah, Ella is a really pretty church wig. Alright, Ella. Alright, Auntie Ella, I see you. I see you. When these church doors open up, Ella gonna be shredding her stuff in there like, yes, Lord, I'm here for you, Lord. Okay. I don't know what this hump is about. I've been trying to get rid of it since the beginning of the video. And it's like, I'm not going anywhere. I'm here to stay. But I think that's it for Ella. So thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned next for another video. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of Auntie Titi videos when she uploads. Or we're gonna have some problems. Yes, we're gonna have some problems. So go ahead and do all these things because it's free. Who doesn't like free? Exactly, that's what I thought. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys thought about this wig. What do you guys like? What do you guys didn't like? What would you like to see more of? And that will allow me to gauge what my audience is loving or not loving. So thank you for watching this video again, and stay tuned next week for another wig review or video. Bye now.